everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm Jessica. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you're looking to speak more natural, real-world English, you're in the right place.
That's right. In this episode, we're sharing 70 must-know sentences for everyday situations. These are real English phrases that native speakers use all the time.
Exactly. Whether you're getting ready in the morning, going shopping, chatting with a friend, or working at your job, you'll hear these sentences everywhere.
And by the end of today's episode, you'll not only hear them, you'll know how to say them confidently and use them in your daily life.
So, get ready to learn, repeat, and have fun with us. Let's jump right in with some useful morning routine sentences.
All right. Let's start your day in English with 14 super useful morning routine sentences. These are perfect for your first hour of the day.
Yep. Imagine waking up, getting ready, and speaking English the whole time. Let's go one by one. I'll say the sentence, and Mark will give an example or explain it. 1. I just woke up.
Simple and natural. For example, Ugh, I just woke up 5 minutes ago. You can say this when you're still sleepy.
2. I'm still so tired.
Who isn't? It's 6 a.m. and I'm still so tired. Great for talking about your mood in the morning.
3. I need coffee.
A must-have. Don't talk to me yet. I need coffee. Totally real English.
4. I'm going to take a shower.
Or you can say, I'm jumping in the shower. Both are common.
5. Where's my toothbrush?
Very real. You can also say, I can't find my toothbrush.
6. I have to get ready for work.
Classic. You can switch work with school or class.
7. What time is it?
Especially useful if you overslept. Wait, what time is it?
8. I'm running late.
Uh-oh. This one is super common. It means you're behind schedule. I'm running late for my meeting.
9. I don't know what to wear.
Totally normal. I don't know what to wear today. Nothing looks good.
10. I'll make some breakfast.
Or, let's make some eggs. Easy way to start a conversation about food.
11th. Did you sleep well?
Very friendly morning question. Good for family, roommates, even co-workers online.
12. I'm brushing my teeth.
Nothing fancy, just useful. Hold on, I'm brushing my teeth.
13. Don't forget your keys.
A classic reminder. Don't forget your keys, your phone, your wallet. We all forget something.
14. Let's go.
Perfect way to end the morning routine. Let's go. We're late.
All right, that's 14 real-life sentences to start your morning in English.
You can repeat them with us now, or write down the ones you'd actually say in your real mornings.
Next up, let's move into the rest of the day sentences you'll need at home or during your daily routine. Okay, now let's talk about English you can use around the house. Whether you live alone or with family, these 14 sentences are super common.
Yeah, this is the kind of English you'll use every single day, cooking, cleaning, relaxing, whatever you're doing.
15. What's for lunch?
The question of the day. You can say it to someone or even to yourself. What's for lunch?
16. I'm doing the dishes.
Or maybe, it's your turn to do the dishes. Very useful if you live with someone.
17. I need to clean the house.
Yes, and no one ever wants to, but we all say it. Ugh, I really need to clean the house today.
18. Can you turn off the lights?
Polite request. Also, don't forget to turn off the lights when you leave.
19. The internet's not working.
A modern-day emergency. The internet's down. I can't do anything.
20. I'm just relaxing.
Such a chill phrase. I'm just relaxing on the couch.
21st. Let's watch something.
Perfect for Netflix nights. Let's watch a movie or something funny.
22. I'm cooking dinner.
Or you can say, I'm making pasta tonight. Want some?
23. Can you help me for a second?
Very polite and common. Hey, can you help me for a second? I need to move this table.
24. I'm doing laundry.
Or, I've got clothes in the washer. Both are useful.
25. The house is a mess.
Totally normal. Especially if you have kids or roommates. This place is a mess.
26. I'm working from home today.
That one became very popular. I'm working from home, so I'll be on Zoom all day.
27. Don't forget to take out the trash.
A classic reminder. And the usual reply is, I'll do it later.
28. Time to go to bed.
Simple, sweet, and relaxing. Okay, it's late. Time to go to bed.
Nice. Those are sentences you can literally say around your home every day.
Try using one or two of them today. Even better, say them out loud as you're doing them. It's great speaking practice.
Coming up next, sentences for outside the house shopping, streets, transport, and more. Stay with us.
All right, now let's head out of the house. These 14 sentences are perfect for shopping, walking around town, or using public transport.
Yep, these are survival sentences, things you absolutely need to know when you're out and about. 29. How much is this?
A must-know shopping question. You can also say, "Excuse me, how much does this cost?"
30. I'm just looking, thanks.
Great when you're in a store and someone offers help. Very polite. "I'm just looking. Thanks."
31st. Do you take cards?
Useful everywhere. You can also ask, "Can I pay with a credit card?"
32. Where's the nearest ATM?
Or cash machine in the UK. Very handy when you need cash.
33. Can I try this on?
Use this in clothing stores. "Hi, can I try this on?" means you want to use the fitting room.
34. I'll take it.
Simple way to say, "I'm buying this." "This shirt is perfect. I'll take it."
35. Excuse me, where's the bus stop?
Classic travel sentence. You can also say, "How do I get to the train station?"
36. I need a taxi.
Or these days, "I'll call an Uber." Quick and easy.
37. How long does it take?
Great for asking about time. "How long does it take to get downtown?"
38. I think I'm lost.
Don't panic. Just say, "Hi, I think I'm lost. Can you help me?"
39. What time does it open?
Useful for shops or offices. Also, "What time do you close?"
40. Is this seat taken?
Perfect for buses, trains, cafes. Very polite way to ask before sitting down.
41st. Let's take a walk.
A nice casual sentence. "The weather's great. Let's take a walk."
42nd. Be careful.
A good phrase to warn someone. "Hey, be careful crossing the road."
Awesome. That's your out and about English survival pack.
You'll use these while traveling, shopping, or just walking around town. Practice them with a friend, or say them to yourself on your next trip outside.
Coming up, let's move to the classroom and the office English you need for school and work. All right, let's head into the office. Or the classroom. These 14 sentences are perfect for school or work life.
Yep, and they're all practical. Great for meetings, classes, or talking with coworkers and classmates. Let's get into it.
43rd. I have a meeting at 10.
Simple and common. "I can't talk now. I have a meeting at 10.
44. Can I ask a question?
Very polite. Great for class or group calls. "Sorry, can I ask a quick question?"
45. I didn't understand that.
Honest and useful. "Sorry, I didn't understand that part. Can you repeat it?"
46. Can you explain that again?
Perfect for learners. It shows you're trying. "Could you explain that one more time, please?"
47. I'll send you an email.
Professional and clear. "Thanks for the info. I'll send you an email later today."
48. I'm working on it.
Great way to say you're handling something. "Don't worry, I'm working on it."
49. It's due tomorrow.
Common in school or with deadlines. "The project is due tomorrow, right?"
50. I forgot my homework.
A classic. Sorry, I forgot my homework. Can I bring it tomorrow?
51st. Let's take a break.
Everyone loves this one. We've been working for 2 hours. Let's take a break.
52. What page are we on?
Great classroom question. Wait, what page are we on?
53. Can you hear me?
Perfect for online meetings or Zoom classes. Hello? Can you hear me?
54. You're on mute.
A modern classic. Hey, you're on mute. We all hear this in video calls.
55. I'll be right back.
Polite and useful. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
56. I'm finished.
Simple and clear. I'm finished with the assignment. Or, I'm done with the report.
Nice work. Those are the sentences that make you sound confident and professional in school or at work.
Try using 1 or 2 in your next class or meeting even online. The more you use them, the more natural they feel.
All right, almost there. Let's finish strong with the final group-friendly, social English for conversations with friends and strangers.
All right, we've covered morning routines, home life, shopping, and work. Now, let's get social.
Yes, these next 14 sentences are perfect for talking to friends, making small talk, or even chatting with someone you just met. 57. How's it going?
Super casual way to say, how are you? You might hear, hey, how's it going?
58. Long time no see?
Say this when you see someone after a while. Wow, long time no see. How have you been?
59. What have you been up to?
Nice way to ask what someone's been doing lately. Hey, what have you been up to?
60. That sounds great.
A positive reaction. You're going on vacation? That sounds great.
61. No worries.
Means it's okay, or don't worry about it. Example. Sorry I'm late. No worries.
62. I'm just kidding.
Or, I'm joking. Useful when you're being playful or teasing someone.
63. What do you do?
Classic small talk question. It means, what's your job? Or, what do you study?
64. I don't know him very well.
Good for talking about people. Yeah, I've seen him around, but I don't know him very well.
65th. Let's hang out sometime.
Very friendly. Means spend time together. Let's hang out this weekend.
66. Are you on social media?
Great question when meeting someone new. Are you on Instagram or WhatsApp?
67. I had a great time.
Say this after a fun event. Thanks for dinner. I had a great time.
68. Let me know.
Means tell me when you decide. Let me know if you're free tomorrow.
69. That's so funny.
Great for reacting to a joke. Ha ha, that's so funny.
70. Take care.
Perfect way to say goodbye. Friendly and warm. All right, see you soon. Take care.
And there you go, 14 must-know social sentences to sound natural, relaxed, and friendly in English.
You don't need fancy grammar. These simple phrases make conversations flow easily.
All right, we've now covered 70 real-life sentences from waking up to socializing with friends. But before we end, let's test your memory with a fun review game. All right, time for a quick and fun review game called Say It Back.
Here's how it works. We'll say something in simple English, and you say the sentence back in real English, just like we taught you.
We'll pause after each one so you can say it out loud. Ready? Let's go.
You just woke up and feel sleepy. You say, I'm still so tired.
You want to ask how much something costs. How much is this?
You're in a store but don't need help. I'm just looking. Thanks.
You're in class and you didn't understand. Can you explain that again?
You're saying goodbye to a friend. Take care.
You want to take a short rest at work. Let's take a break.
You're late and in a hurry. I'm running late.
Someone says sorry and it's not a big deal. No worries.
How did you do? If you missed a few, no problem, just replay this part later and try again.
Yeah, say them out loud with us until they feel natural and automatic. That's how fluency builds.
Coming up next, We've got a little challenge for you to take these sentences into your real life. Let's do it!
All right, it's challenge time. Are you ready?
Your mission today is simple. Use 5 of these sentences in real life.
That's right. You can say them to a friend, use them at work or school, or even practice alone by speaking out loud.
Here's a tip: pick sentences that fit your daily routine. For example, if you're cooking, say, "I'm making dinner." Or if you're online, say, "Can you hear me?"
You could even record yourself saying the sentences or write them down in a journal.
The key is this: use English in real life. Don't just listen. Speak it.
So go ahead, choose your 5 and speak them today. We believe in you.
Coming up next, our final tips and motivation to keep your English strong every day. All right, before we wrap up, just a quick reminder from us.
Consistency beats perfection. You don't need to memorize everything at once. Just practice a little every day.
Exactly. Even repeating 5 sentences a day can build real confidence over time.
Speak out loud, use what fits your life, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying, and that's how you grow.
And remember, you're not alone. Thousands of learners just like you are listening, learning, and improving every single day.
So keep going, keep speaking, and most of all, have fun with English.
Let's wrap it up.
That's all for today's episode of the English Learning Podcast.
Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And don't forget to leave a comment or question. We love hearing from you.
See you next time for more English practice.
Take care.